Welcome to Dakota and Family. My name is Jason. Wendy's right behind me.
Hello.
Welcome to our channel. This video will be titled, Will there be school or will it be delayed? It'll be either or, I think. Temperature was 42 degrees about 8 hours ago. It's now 25 degrees falling temperature, and it's called the 3 a.m. challenge. I felt some sleet or whatever. There's the road right there. Stuff's still falling, so that it can't be picked on the radar, but there's like a little sheet of ice on the road. I don't know if it's drying up or not. There's some parts it is. I don't know, but it's really bad. Turn the camera around. And we're going to turn the camera around. Welcome to Dakota and Family. My name is Jason.
This is Wendy.
Yes, she's still alive. Say hi, Wendy.
Hi.
Thank you for the recent views. Remember our merch store? We're freezing. I'm freezing so bad. I'm learning how to hold the camera as we videotape. Woo-hoo. But anyways, it's cold. There's my wife. She's wearing Crocs, and it's 25 degrees. What are you guys doing? I'm so cold I can't even talk.
Is your mouth frozen?
I don't know. But
Don't
anyway.
lick your lips, you're going to get your lips chapped.
My wife's trying to hold the camera because I'm shaking. I decided to cancel my Bronco scope because of the weather now. I wonder if we're going to have school tomorrow. Do you think they'll use it as an excuse to cancel school?
I don't know.
I think Prairie View will be canceled. I know it will be delayed. We're in a winter weather advisory until 6 a.m.
Cold.
And my wife's wearing a blazer in the cold weather. We're doing a 3-minute challenge at 3 a.m. Can you make it another minute and 30 seconds?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll call it the 3 a.m. weather challenge in 25 degrees weather in a light jacket.
With Crocs on.
Yeah.
What was that?
Oh.
Something ran over there.
That was a possum. Anyways, there's people out here getting ready for work or whatever.
What was it?
I don't know.
Look.
What was that?
I don't know. It looked like something black turned around the side of the house.
Oh, skunk!
No.
Oh. Anyways,
Oh.
can you make it another 45 seconds? 3 a.m. free challenge.
Yeah, I have a light jacket on.
Crocs on.
And my Crocs on with no socks.
Oh, wow.
I have no socks on.
So we'll call this the 3 a.m. challenge. Everybody, can you make it 3 minutes?
I'll try.
Oh my gosh. Let's see if I can hold the camera.
No, because you shake too much.
Shake, rattle, and roll. Alright, we got 10 seconds to go. Let's go ahead and do this. Push like, comment, subscribe, and follow my wife's hand everywhere. Talk to you later. My wife's freezing. My wife's freezing. Alright, let's go. Bye.